Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. In this video, we look at how to start the Python interpreter in interactive mode. Interactive in that we can enter commands interactively and they will be executed. To start the interpreter, I have opened the terminal here and we can just type Python 3 and the Python 3 interpreter will be started. We are now in the interactive mode of the Python interpreter and we can write statements which will be executed when we press enter. The three angle brackets are what are known as the command prompt, and they prompt us to enter a command. So as is the tradition with the introduction to programming languages, we'll start by printing the string hello world to the console. Python has a function known as print which we can use exactly for that. So write the word print and then we pass the string hello world. In Python, strings are wrapped usually using either single quotes or double quotes. And when we press enter, the string hello world has been printed to the console. We can also perform basic arithmetic operations on the console. 1 plus 1 can subtract, and we can even do a power. So that will be 4 power 3, that is 64, and so forth. So that is how you can use the Python interpreter in interactive mode. And to exit, we can use the exit function. Or if you are on Mac or Linux, you can press Ctrl D and you'll exit with that. Or if you're on Windows, you can press Ctrl Z and then enter. So we can exit with the exit function, and that will take us out of the interactive mode. So that is how you can use the Python interpreter in interactive mode. We'll pick it from this in the next video. Thanks for watching.